How to know if your PC is hacked? Press Windows plus R to open Runbox. Now type MRT and press OK to launch Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. Click Next, then you can choose Scan Type. Choose Full Scan and click Next. Now remember, this might take several hours depending on files that you have on your PC. Now when scan is finished, the results will be displayed. If any threats are detected, it will be listed and it will automatically remove them. Next, press Windows plus R again. Now type this netplwiz and press OK. It should open User Accounts window. Now if you see any unfamiliar user listed over there, just select it and remove it to revoke any unauthorized access. Now on search, type Startup Apps and select it. Now scan through the list and disable any unknown application that you don't remember installing. This will prevent those apps from launching automatically when Windows starts, which could be a security risk if an unauthorized program is running in background.